let's start the session. First of all, everyone, I want to give you a warm welcome and welcome to the EBU community. You are my third group that I'm teaching. This is my third semester teaching with and lecturing with EBU. So here are some learning objectives. So as I said, first we'll talk about the misconceptions. So that's a very easy intro. Drivers of the future. So we'll brainstorm about what will happen with marketing in the future. What are some maybe things that might change, how we can prepare, etc. All right, so welcome to marketing. I hate to break it to you, but if you are a finance person, you're probably marketing your company as well, because everyone in the firm owns marketing.
All right, let's kick it off then. So from you guys have seen the Moodle already, I assume. How it is there is following. We have our class, then after our class, about an hour after each class, a recording of the actual class will be uploaded on the Moodle. So if you ever miss a week, or if you would like to review something because you didn't understand it or whatever, feel free to go to the Moodle, and of every class there will be a recording. Also, we have weekly tests and weekly practice tests, meaning that for every week after our class, you have an assignment where you have to read, you have a forum where you have to participate and contribute with a comment on a certain topic. Today we're looking at business, taking risks and making profits with the dynamic in the business environment, right? So let's start with a fairly simple question, guys. When you hear business, when you hear the term business, what is it that you think about first? What's coming to your mind?
So this course is basic accounting principles and the components of the basic accounting system and basic vocabulary. So this course, to just set the expectations, is an introduction, not an advanced course. We will check the double entry of the bookkeeping, the identifications of transactions, how they go into the ledgers, how do we prepare the set of financial statements and an adjusted trial balance. Then we'll also look at subsidiary ledgers and special purpose journals. We will also look the basic analysis of historical and budgeted financial statements. And we will go through the key three financial statements that would be the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow. There is a statement of owner's equity that's just a piece of the balance sheet. We will look at the sources and uses of cash, costs, inventories, and the applications. The application of the concepts to real life. So for our final exam, we'll have a project. You work in groups to put into practice everything that we learned.
Basic operators and just an introduction into what Python actually is. So just a little bit about Python before we start. Python at the moment is one of the most, well, actually it's the most popular programming language out there. I'd say it's the easiest to learn in my experience. It's also the easiest to write in. So if you're trying to do something quickly with programming, then Python is definitely the way to go. It's the fastest, it's the easiest, it's the sort of cleanest, and so I think for most tasks, also because it's so versatile, it is often the best choice. So I think, if you're learning your first programming language, Python is definitely a really great place to start. And that's also why it's so popular. So
that's all from me. Everyone stay healthy. That's the most important thing.
All right.
Thank you, everybody. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.